Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve pyramids. So first I'll solve this, and in my next video, this is going to be my video about the tutorial of Squib Cube. So let's start. I'm going to solve it. Got it. So I'm a little slow, guys, don't mind. So let's start. So guys, your cube can be any color. See guys, I can show you a small difference in only these both. See, blue, both have green, but here one has pink, one has red, and both have yellow on your bottom. You can take any color, but if you have yellow, prefer yellow, because I'm going to show you how to solve it on yellow. So let's shuffle these both like this. So guys, and if you did you read the title? Solving the pyramids without algorithms and rotations. So I'll go with this first. Okay, now actually all the three centers, these three are called the centers because they have no edge matching with them. And if you did not watch my previous video, please watch that. It's about solving 2x2, and even my brother solved the 2x2 yesterday. So now what you need to do is just turn the corners like this continuously until you match at least one. Then all the colors will be matched. The last one. Now after this you need to find 3 yellow diamonds. Diamond means actually it's called the rhombus, but here I found 3 of them. But what about in this? It'll match. Oh, it's already matched. Now I did not find all 3 in one side. Now pick onto any, hold on to any one. Hold it on your top triangle. So this is triangle. This is also triangle, but we call this a triangle. So now keep rotating. If it's on your top, rotate the right until you get one more diamond. If it's over here, do continuously until it comes. Do this until it comes. So here I got 3 of them, but I'll show you one possibility in this one now. So this is the possibility where you got 2 of them, but after you keep rotating the right one, you still don't get it. So it will hold your pyramids like this. It will be on your bottom layer here, here or here. Now just as these both are here, bring it behind them. Just turn this one and this one down. Then you will match it. Okay guys, and there's one more possibility. If it's over here, do the same thing. Bring it behind them and now match them. And here you will get your centers. Now part 2 is the edges. So I'll do this. First, there's one simple move which is holding like this. Hold the small triangle, means the big surface area on your top, and do right up, right down, left down. This can be used in the first layer and the second layer. Okay, this is called the first layer. So now in this cube, how to use that move? Do you know guys? So find a yellow piece of yellow edge like this, yellow and other color edge on your bottom layer. If there is no edge piece with no yellow piece on your bottom layer, and they all are in wrong spots over here, I'll tell you how to solve it. But first I'll tell this possibility. Now, as this is here, go to its correct spot. Do you know, guys, how did I identify it's the correct spot? Because here is red. When you take it up and up, down and down, then you need to match it. So, how do you test it? Hold yellow facing you. Don't hold it like this. Hold yellow facing you. And there is one more possibility where yellow will be on this side facing you. That is also very easy. So, what will you do with this? So, first check it. Go on to, you find, just move it. It will not match with its bar. Don't. Again, move to the next one. Does it match? No. Next one. Does it match? Yes. Now what you do is right up, right down, left down. Now, here you will get another. Yes, we have the possibility in which your piece came out onto the left facing you. Now, do right up, right down, left down, right up, right down, left down. Do that 2 times, you will get your bar. Now, we have a possibility where this just needs to get twisted. So do right up, right down, left down. And again, go to the correct spot. Yellow facing you. Check whether it goes. It will surely go because we matched this and this. So do right up, right down, left down. Now, here we go to the second layer. But we need to even solve in this. Now, wait. I'll show you the possibility of all on the top layer but not in the correct spot. Now, so guys, here I brought you the possibility. See, yellow on the top, yellow on the top, yellow on the top, but not on the bottom layer. Now what you do is, hold on to any piece. This piece, this piece, this piece on your middle. And do right up, right down, left down. Now, take it to its spot. Again, do right up, right down, left down. This will come out. Take it to its correct spot. Right up, right down, left down. Now, see guys? Oh, last piece. Just need to get twisted. Right up, right down, left down. Match it. Right up, right down, right down, left down. So, here. And now, we have gone into the third layer. And luckily, here we have possibility number 1, possibility number 2. Actually, I'll show you possibility number 3 on this one, but not now. First, let's solve the possibility number 1. So, possibility number 1 is, after you solve the first layer, you will get 3 bars, right? And the 3 bars will match with one color like this. One whole bar, not the first layer, but another bar will match for one side. And another bar will match for one side, but no bar will be there for this side. Hold on to that bar, do right down, right up, left up. Now, push this away, bring this to the top, match it back, take it down. Now here you will not go to possibility number 2 directly, but you need to hold on to the same place. Though there is a bar, do it again. Right down, right up, left up. Push it away, bring this to the top, match it, bring it down. Here you will go to possibility number 2. See guys, no bars, but one edge will be solved behind them. Now, hold on to the non-barred place and do right down, do the same thing. Okay guys? Right down, right up, left up, push it away, bring this to the top, bring it back down. Here we'll skip to possibility number 3. I'll show you how to solve this. This is the easiest thing to solve. Now, same thing, right down, right up, left up, push it away, bring this to the top, match it, bring it down. And now, match this with this. And in sometimes, if you do that directly, your Pyraminx will be solved. But stop, don't go away. Check this possibility and then go. If you might have it suddenly, then you need to again check my video or others. So now, hold like this. Do right down, U, Not U means upper one. Again, right up, it's left. Right down, up, left up, up. Right down, up, left down, up. Right down, up, left down, up. Right down, up, left down, up. So this is very easy. And let's do it for this. I'll tell you this is like a normal one. R, L, U. Like that. So see. L, U, L prime U. 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 Here we solved our Pyraminx. So thanks for watching, guys. And in my next video, as I told you in the starting, I'm going to be solving this thing. The squeeb cube. The corners do not turn, but three surfaces together turn for this. This is also very easy. This can also be solved by this one. Right up, right down, left down. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.